How to share your editable Canva design in Canva application. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can share your Canva design such that other people will be able to make edits into their design as well. So let me show you the step-by-step guide using this particular demonstrated video right here. So as here you can see, this is a video design that I have created, and let's say I want to share it with my teammates or any other friends so that they can also add their input into this video and change it as well or edit it. So in order to do this, what I can do is simply click onto this share button over the top right corner of the screen. And then once I will do this, you can see this option that says access level. So from here, it is currently set to only you can access, and then you have the copy link. So you can click onto this drop down arrow, and from here you have these options. The first one is only you can access, and the next one is anyone with the link. So this says anyone can access the design using this link, no sign in required. So if you just want to share this design, you can click onto this option with anyone with the link, and then to specify the permissions that what they can do, you have this option. So if you want them to enable editing to this design, you can click onto the first option that says can edit. If you only want them to comment, so you can click onto this second option, or if you only want it to view only want them to view this design and not make any changes or comment onto that, then you can click onto this can view option only. But since currently we are looking for the other person to add their input by editing, you can click onto this can edit button. So now it says anyone with the link can edit, and then you need to click onto this copy link, and here you can see that the link has been copied, and then you can send it to your friend via the WhatsApp or any other messaging service, and then when they will click onto this link, they will be redirected here in Canva and they will be able to make changes into this particular design. So that's how easily you can share your editable Canva designs using the Canva application. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.